after a very very long time?
I feel better because exercise is a
गुंडा कुंडा तो पढ़ेगा ईमानदारी से पढ़ेगा, हाँ पढ़ेगा कि नहीं पढ़ेगा? It will never happen, don't worry. But
I'm not telling like sir.
पर सीखेगा, खाली फोन देखेगा, पढ़ेगा मन से? वाह, वेरी गुड। बोलो विद्या कसम। माई करियर डॉक्टर की बुक भी आ चुकी है। आप प्ले स्टोर से जाके माई करियर डॉक्टर नाम से इंग्लिश की एक ऐप है, उसे आप डाउनलोड कर लीजिए प्ले स्टोर से और वहाँ पे आप बुक ऑर्डर कर सकते हैं। साथ में सारे क्लासेज आपको लाइव वहाँ मिल जाएंगे जो भी बुक में है। इट इज़ वेरी अफोर्डेबल और वहाँ इसकी डिलीवरी चार्ज भी इंक्लूड है जो आपको घर बैठे दैट विल हेल्प यू टू डेवलप your writing and speaking English skill as well.
Brought to you by My Career Doctor.
Most trusted spoken English and career counseling clinic.
हम स्पोकन इंग्लिश के साथ योगा, फिटनेस एवं पर्सनल करियर काउंसलिंग देकर आपको बनाते हैं स्मार्ट, कॉन्फिडेंट एंड अप टू डेट।
So, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. It's last day today for these two guys. This is Ballu Balwan and Shubham. Shubham is from Kunda, Uttar Pradesh, and Ballu is from Prayagraj. Well, they spent here around 3 months, and after 12th, they came here, and now they have got good colleges for polytechnic. Ballu has got a mechanical CAD, and for that he is supposed to go to Ghaziabad there. So Ballu told me that it's last day and I want you to please shoot a video together, and especially why in this getup, because this is polo ground and we come here frequently, right, to take exercise. So I thought it's a last day today in his memory, and for the memory we are gonna do exercise today. So are you ready?
Yeah.
It's last day today. Are you happy?
Yeah, I'm very happy.
How was your experience spending time here at My Career Doctor and in Darbhanga?
Yeah, actually, sir. First of all, I came Darbhanga.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, very hesitation, more than hesitation.
You had hesitations
yeah,
a lot.
Yeah, lots of hesitation. But at this time, any place, I speak. Removed my hesitation, very removed.
That's great.
Yeah.
And what about you, Shubham?
Thank you, sir. Giving me opportunity. Before I came now, I have lots of hesitation. How to stand, how to speak. I have no idea how to speak English. But before I came now, so I have experience in My Career Doctor. So I don't have things how to speak front of people, how to speak front of teachers, or front of any person. So sir, give me some
Ideas.
So in my opinion,
Thank you. So it's gonna be little different today. Why? Because he likes to take exercise a lot, and he also आज बहुत हम लोग थकने वाले हैं. I do this every day, so I have managed this water bottle. I'm gonna put this. और सबसे पहले हम क्या करते हैं? Exercise we will do, and exercise करते हुए we will talk to each other, and I'm sure मैं अगर इनसे बोलता हूँ कि मैं पहले रनिंग करूँगा तो ये दोनों पक्का मुझे हरा देंगे, बिकॉज दे आर नेशनल लेवल रनर्स. व्हाट आई एम गोना डू इज जॉगिंग, वो भी उल्टी डायरेक्शन में. फ्रॉम आइज आई एम श्योर यू गोना मिस दिस polo ground. Will you miss? Eyes. And I'm sure you will continue exercise or forget once you get into college.
today is my last day, sir.
Uh-huh.
I want to ask, my English is improved.
Sumain, so what happens? Every English learner asks this question that am I improving or not?
Yes, sir.
Honestly speaking to you, Shubham, that
Yes.
like I have said you that it's a lifelong journey.
Yes.
Learning anything is a lifelong journey.
Yes.
But if I compare your performance from day one when you came here, I mean to my career doctor, it has been, a great journey, and you have improved yourself a lot. I would not say that you have become champion of this and all, but you have improved a lot, and I'm sure those who are watching can understand this. A student who is from general, background, who is not from very hi-fi school, he comes from Kunda or Prayagraj here to Darbhanga to transform themselves. So if keeping all these things in mind, what I notice is that you have improved a lot, and
Yes.
I would say that please do not stop this journey. Keep it continue.
Yes.
Ready?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Good.
Yes, okay, sir.
This way. ऐसे तो तुम हरा दोगे मुझे. अरे, 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 अरे. Go. Mind the brakes. Mind the brakes. Like I said you, they are national level runners, and either it is forward or backward. They didn't let me win. So I tell you the benefits of this
Yes.
jogging. If you do jogging in forward direction, it trains your body.
Yes.
But when you do in backward direction, that trains your body and mind both.
Conditioning.
Yeah. So that's great.
Yes, sir.
Now. Doing this way,
Yes.
if you're doing knuckle push-ups, so of course it makes your body strong,
Yes.
but along with that, it makes your knuckles strong as well. You see this? So, Ballu,
Yes, sir.
Bablu,
Yes.
what did you learn here?
Actually, sir, first of all, I am visit other persons meet.
You
Yes.
visited
Yeah.
other coachings as well.
Yeah, also. But sir, I'm not. Actually, sir, I focused lots of students very fast, fluently speak English. But I am very lazy feel.
You feel very lazy.
Yeah, I be very lazy feel. Actually, other students very fluently speak English.
Others who are speaking frequently.
Yeah, other place I go on, but I am not improve my English.
You could not improve.
Yes, my friend's suggestion is
You should go to my career.
MCD coaching about. But first of all, I watch video Delhi NCR Noida. Very fluently speak English. One Shivam student.
Shivam Kumar from Noida branch,
yes,
right.
Very best speaker. But I just I learn best speak English. After I am not speaking English, so yes, I.
This is
I
how you
thought
came
I
here. What have you learned so far? If I ask you, what have you learned so far here at My Career Doctor, apart from this exercise and all?
Yes, well, here come exercise learn and with speaking.
Huh.
One friend my said, you will
One
go
of
there.
my friends suggested
One of my-
me.
Suggested
One
me.
of my friends suggested me,
Huh.
you will go there, then your all task forms change.
Your friend suggested
Yes,
from Kunda or where?
Yes.
My near friends from Kunda.
Acha, from Kunda.
He watched your video
Uh-huh.
before 5 years.
5 years ago he
Yes.
watched. Huh.
I also, because he was my friend.
Hmm.
So he said, you will go
He is my friend.
Yeah, he's my
He said,
friend.
you will go there, so your all task forms change. Your body, how to...
You will get transformed.
Yes. Your all things change. After you also know how to running our life. Yes, sir.
Sachin, come here. So, after coming here, do you get the benefits or not? Tell me,
Yes, sir.
please.
Yeah.
More benefits in my life. In here came the only benefit of not knowing English. In transfer of my body, transfer of means how to talk with people.
Thank you.
Yes.
Here I want to tell you one thing. ये जो बच्चे हैं, they have not learnt everything. Still they make mistakes, and I just suggest the English learners कि ये एक language है, and it's very common that we make mistakes. तो I have, because इन्होंने 3 महीने टाइम यहाँ स्पेंड किया और उसमें भी काम की वजह से कई बार घर अपने जाते रहे because of exams, some family issues and all.
Yes.
So they have got good polytechnic college, तो इनका जाना अब ज़रूरी है, and I wish them all the best. Ballu has got Ghaziabad wala. तो it's just it's a lifelong process. Just keep it up. अभी इन्होंने सीखना शुरू कर दिया है, एक्सरसाइज
Yes.
भी करते हैं. ये है सचिन जो साल में एक बार आते हैं. सचिन पार्थ आज मुझे लगता है 2 साल के बाद आप आए हैं.
Second time.
मे बी.
Second time.
अच्छा, हियर आई वांट टू टेल यू वन थिंग. माय करियर डॉक्टर की बुक भी आ चुकी है जो बहुत ही खूबसूरत है. कॉस्ट आप प्ले स्टोर से जाके माय करियर डॉक्टर नाम से इंग्लिश की एक ऐप है, उसे आप डाउनलोड कर लीजिए प्ले स्टोर से और वहाँ पे आप बुक ऑर्डर कर सकते हैं. साथ में सारे क्लासेज आपको लाइव वहाँ मिल जाएंगे जो भी बुक में है. इट्स वेरी अफोर्डेबल और वहाँ इसकी डिलीवरी चार्ज भी इंक्लूड है जो आपको घर बैठे दैट विल हेल्प यू टू डेवलप your writing and speaking English skill as well. So it was push up. Now let's do some other exercises,
Yes.
and these can be like it's quite natural that if you do exercises in front of camera, so you are not able to do that frequently, but we try our best to do it. So we have done a lot of exercises, and we feel a little tired. Do you feel tired?
Yes.
Okay.
I feel very tired, but I can do.
Energetic.
Yeah. Very
So
energetic.
tell me one thing. How much beneficial for you guys to take exercise? I ask you to come here every day. How do you feel taking exercise here at Polo Ground, Lahiriya Sarai, Darbhanga? How do you feel, Subham?
I feel better because exercise is a good way in for any people's life. Because exercise is a means your body is better, and means your mind is working right direction.
In right direction.
Yes,
For
yes,
you?
Yeah. I feel better today. I'm also better. Feel actually exercise. Do na. I'm very energetic. Feel and positive thinking approach is coming. And right direction is thinking level is very high.
Good. And what about you?
So I feel also good, very good, because when we start our day with very good positive things, it means our day will expand with always positive thing. So I always trust on this word. We should start our day with exercise, yogas, meditation, because it makes our brain level also better, and it makes our life also better. Because when I do exercise, so I feel it is beneficial for me, because when I will do exercise from childhood, so it will make my long life better.
Yeah.
So that's why I want to do.
Thank you very much. Now we are going to take, going to do Sirsasana there on this tire. Sachin. You want to do this? It's vibrating. Get out. Subham. You have to take this for a long time.
Put your head. Yes. On your head.
Very good. Clap for Subham. He's doing that. Clap for this guy. He's doing. Don't laugh. इंग्लिश सीखेगा मन से. अब वापस जाएगा गुंडा कुंडा तो पढ़ेगा ईमानदारी से. पढ़ेगा. हाँ? पढ़ेगा कि नहीं पढ़ेगा? पर सीखेगा. खाली फोन देखेगा. पढ़ेगा. मन से. हाँ? नहीं पढ़ेगा तो? हेलो. पढ़ेगा. बोलो विद्या कसम.
Yes, sir. You can do that.
After a very, very long time, I did it, and successfully it's done. I was thinking that I'll not be able to do, but finally I did it. Don't clap right now. Jai Bhavani. It's a little difficult, but I did. Thank you very much.
I say you are winning.
Sachin will do. Do it, Sachin.
I will never try. Success is not never end. Success is not never end, but failure is never final.
Do. Let him do. ये कर लेगा ये दोनों. पकड़ो बाबू.
Competition is my life.
Yeah.
Wow, very good job, Sachin did it after a very, very long time.
First time.
Very good. Don't worry, I'm holding this hard. It's seriously great. He's doing.
Very good. Very great.
My God, he did it, man. In one go, Sachin, it's unbelievable. Very good job. Doing great job.
Reason of punish because he will don't go after he will punish.
No, it's not like that. I need patience. Don't laugh, don't laugh. You wanna try? Sachin, hold this. Hello. Your phone. Let him do.
Then we can try.
He did it, na? After a very long time, I did. And that. वही हमारा ये फेवरेट है आपको पता है you never watch in video
I watch.
let go
Don't focus where you do.
very good job man here get on so they were asking me to do this and they did it successfully it's seriously great and I was expecting that Sachin will not be able to do but he did very nice job. I thought that Shubham will not be able to do, but he did it. He did very, very good job. So this is seriously very nice. The last thing that we are going to do is there. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Yes, come on. So, So it's finally the last day with Ballu and Shubham. I wish you all the best, guys, and I wish that you definitely get success in your life and you get everything which you desire. And to all those students who have left the coaching, the ex-students, the present students, those who are directly or indirectly in touch with My Career Doctor, and to all the students of this world, God blesses them, and I wish you all the best to and everyone.
Yes, sir.
कि but आपने you have to take study seriously, yeah.
Yes, yeah.
और जो जर्नी आपने शुरू किया है, that you never ever have to stop. Either that is learning or practicing English,
Yes, sir.
doing exercise that we used. I mean, we generally do here at Polo Ground, Darbhanga.
Yes, sir.
You have to keep it continue. Anything? Anything you want to say in the last?
Actually, sir, reason na sir, some work urgent na sir. After sometime after came one time.
You will come back again.
Yeah.
ये never it happens. वो बच्चे ऐसे ही जाने के टाइम में बोलते हैं कि मैं जरूर आएगा, but it will never happen. Don't worry. But
I'm not telling lies, sir.
I wish
I will come. I will.
they never come back. Don't worry. मेरे को उससे कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. I have no issues. I want you to stay blessed. God bless you. I wish you all the best. ठीक है? जय हिंद.
जय भारत.
ये क्यों हाँ ये तो पोलो ग्राउंड आया था तो मिल गया यहाँ कि हाँ रहे कि मैं आता हूँ वापस मैं आता हूँ वापस. All right. Thank you.
Thank you,
जय
sir.
हिंद.
Thank you.